YouTube Live. This is Jeremy Thompson and
it's Tony Street,
and we're coming at you live from Revolution Web Studios. We want to talk to you guys today, which is so awesome.
Hopefully we don't get too much rain today. Man.
Yeah, hopefully you don't. But
have your umbrellas, people.
Have your umbrellas. Hey Jerry, how you doing this morning?
Morning, fellow Pisser of Excellence.
Okay, so what we want to talk about is what to do next. What to do next. This is actually pretty cool because I was contacted by actually the largest property management company in Texas this morning.
Nice.
The largest. I'm talking. They do millions and millions of dollars worth of property management and real estate. You know, undeveloped land as well as developed land. You know, neighborhoods, things of that nature.
Right.
What was really cool is they were like, you know, we're real good about getting business and we're really good about closing deals and things like that. But there's one little area. They had a marketing meeting yesterday and they were like, there's one little area that we can't seem to figure out what we need to do to really connect with our customers. And I said, okay, well, explain to me what that area is. Hi, Yvonne, how you doing? What's up, Kevin? Michael? So this area that this real estate company said is like, after we show a house or after we hold, actually it's not a house, they do it in one of the houses that they're selling.
Right.
But they do first buyer home buyers classes.
Okay.
You know, or real estate class of kind of, you know, the whole real estate process.
Right.
And they said after that class, it's like 2 or 3 days go by before they follow up with them and to see how they're doing. And they said that from that, you know, they get mixed results. You know, and I said, well, that's a perfect issue to solve. Right. Perfect problem to solve. And so what I told them, which is good for you guys as well, remember the first thing you have to do, the whole point of everything when you're marketing your business and you're promoting your products and your services, it's all about relationship, right? So with that being the foundational key in your business, if it's not, you need to make it the foundational key in your business. Right. As I explained to them, I said, well, right after they finish the class, you should add them to your email campaign, and they should receive an email from you immediately talking to them, hey, thank you for joining our class. It was great having you. Right. We would love to connect with you, connect with us, and then have a video. You know, the guy who owns this real estate agency, who's very successful at what he does, it would be great, you know, because they were like, well, how do we convey the heart of our company, you know, to these people? And I said, do a short little video. Hi, I'm so-and-so. Okay, so you took our class. We're so glad that you took our class. We're so glad that you're here today watching this video. Here's our heart and what we want to do for you. Remember, it's not about just going after the money. All right, yeah, money is the end result. Right. But you have to start with the attitude to serve. Yep. Going above and beyond for the client. Right. You know, people buy because they like you and they trust you. A part of that process is, number one, the foundation, having relationship. And number two, having the attitude of serving them. Okay? Now, what does that look like? That means you're going to have to do some things that are going to challenge you personally. Definitely. You're going to have to go outside and push beyond your own mental, physical, and emotional limits of what you're used to doing when it comes to marketing or when it comes to your website. You can't, I mean, websites are a dime a dozen, and it seems like everybody wants to kind of do them and build them the same way. Why can't you be different? Why can't you just put videos of yourself on your website? You go to our company website, go on over to www.revolutionwebstudios.com, and I have a video on there where I'm engaging the users personally. I'm engaging them. I'm saying, hey, you're here because of these one of two reasons. Right. And I put across very clearly that I understand, and here's some keys that we do when we work with every customer, every website that we build. Here's some things that we do to help you reach your audience in a personal way, in a relational way. People have forgotten how to be relational when it comes to their business. All that's going to do is, as a business owner, is going to make you lonely. You're going to be an island unto yourself because you're not going to be in touch with your people. You're not going to be in touch with your audience. You're just doing whatever, just talking at them. You know, don't market at them. That's the wrong way to do it. Fix whatever is inside of you that's keeping you from really being relational as a business owner with your customers, your employees. You know, change that. Let there be a shift that happens. And then when you do that and you start connecting, okay, then that's where the real result comes from. Look, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not about that. But you will have results if you solve more problems for more people more frequently, which always equals to production, and that kind of production equals to profit. But the foundation of that has to be relationship. That means you have to figure out, okay, in this new customer's life, am I improving their life with my product or my service? Or am I solving a problem?
Right. You should always be trying to do both.
It's true. It's true. It all it comes down to relationship. You know? Getting on that level with your customers and really try to experience where they're coming from, you know, instead of you just wanting to close a deal. Oh, I got to do this because I got to close the deal. Oh, I got to hit my budget. Oh, I got to hit my numbers. Man, throw the numbers out. I'm not saying don't pay attention to the numbers. Definitely pay attention to your numbers. But the one of the biggest things that you need to do is you just really need to focus on the relational part. The money will come. Look, I'm going to tell you, this is proven. This is so proven. I've done it hundreds of times. Just having relationship with your customer. When was the last time that you have gone through your list of your existing customers and actually called them and thanked them for being a customer? When was the last time you've done that? That's just been a while. You cannot be lonely in your business. Connect with it. People always ask us, you know, hey, how many clients do you guys have? We don't have any. Well, how did you stay in business for 11 years? How are you able to do this for 18 years? I said, because I don't have customers, because all my customers have now become friends. Because I had relationship with them. People buy because they like you and they trust you. That is based on relationship. Wouldn't you agree?
I would completely. Sound like it.
So that's what today's message is about. Start by having just start somewhere. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you've screwed up, if you failed. You're gonna fail. Just settle that inside yourself already. You can't make everybody happy. You just can't. It's humanly impossible. You're always gonna have somebody. You're always gonna have one person that is gonna be like, you know, I just don't like your service or your products. You know what? Well, that's fine. That's fine. You can't do anything about that type of person. But all the rest of the people, you can have a relationship with and connect with them, help them, serve them. Not from the standpoint of, oh, I want to get money, but from the standpoint that you really want to help them. And because you have that relationship, that feeds that passion to want to do more for them. Look, if you will focus on having a relational sale versus just a quick transactional informational sale, you'll have that customer a lot longer. And when you have them longer, that increases your chances to get more revenue. And through referrals, through adding stuff to things that they need, through encouraging them, building them up, that's how it needs to happen. That is the right way it should happen. In this day and time of marketing, you know, people have forgotten, especially with the millennials and the social media and stuff like that. People are using it just to get their products and service out there, but they're not truly connected. They're keyboard cowboys. They're not really connecting, you know, with their people. They're not learning, oh, what is your wife's name? What is your children's names? Oh, how many dogs do you have? You know, what are your hobbies? What are you into? Things of that nature. And I'm telling you, if you start nurturing your relationships, get out your client list of the customers that you have right now, currently, start calling them, start thanking them, show them gratitude. You know, that's a good way. You never know. You might actually get some more deals, increase your revenue, get some more leads, get some more prospects. Oh, hey, I'm so glad you called, Jeremy. I was just thinking, I just ran into a guy the other day that needs a new website for their dentist practice, or needs a new website for this, or needs some marketing stuff for that, you know, and that's how it works. That's how it works. So relationship is key. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate our audience. If you want to know more information about what it is that we do and how it is that we can help you, go on over to www.revolutionwebstudios.com. Drop us a line. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to connect with you and have a relationship with you. You can send us an email at info@revolutionwebstudios.com, or if you have something you want us to look at for you and just connect with you and go over your stuff, you know, your marketing or your website, call us 254-768-0160. We would be glad, definitely, to contact you. Final word of the day.
I'm going to let you handle it today. You've been on a roll.
Carpe diem. Carpe diem. I'm not going to yell at you like he does, but Carpe diem, guys.
Y'all love when I yell.
Have a great day. It's Jeremy Thompson, Tony Street, Revolution Web Studios. We'll talk to you guys soon.